Hello everyone, welcome back to King Conquest, and in this video we have a 2-move checkmate by white. The black pawn is going this way, so the black pawn is 2 squares away from promotion. So yeah, white to play and checkmate the black king in 2 moves. Pause the video if you want to try. Alright, welcome back. Because this is only 2-move checkmate and we have only king and our queen versus their king and their knight and their pawn. If you move our queen anywhere, that let's say we move to c5 for example, and from this position the knight is getting unpinned by our queen, so this knight will go basically wild and checking our king, and this is not a solution. If we keep the queen in the first rank, for example, to basically keep the pin, let's say, I don't know, okay, queen to h1 for example. From this position, the only thing that black can do is moving their pawn, and this is the only move that the black can do. From this position, you may see queen to h8 check, but this is not a checkmate because the knight can just cover it, and even though you can take the knight, again this is your third move and this is not a solution because black can move. Obviously the queen to b2 is checkmate, but come on, this is this is 4 move, like this is not 2 move. Okay, I think you already know the solution is to move the king, and if I click this king on b3, it can move to a4, b4 and c4 and c2. This is covered, I believe. Yeah, this is covered by knight. This is covered by our by their pawn and their king, and this is obviously covered by their king. So amongst all of this square, the most sensible way, or the most basically is the solution, is king to c2. If you found king to c2, congratulations, because let's say if you insist to, why you move away from opponent's king, right? Let's say you move to b4, why? Because the black king is on a1 and you basically giving away your quick checkmate basically. So there is no reasonable reason why you should move, or why you must move to the a4 or b4 or c4 in this position. Yeah, this is the solution, king to c2, keeping the distance closer to the black king. And from this position, it depends what the black do in this position. Let's say they move their king to a2, and this position, if black move their king to a2, we can just take their knight, and this is obviously checkmate. Black king cannot go anywhere, the black king getting blocked by their own pawn basically. So yeah, if black decided to go to king to a2, we take their knight, and if the black move their pawn to a2, we can just move our queen to b2. So yeah, this is some kind of smart mate, I believe. Yeah. So yeah, if you found king to c2, congratulations. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy my explanation for this puzzle, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.